Let's trace number 1. Start at the top and go straight down.
Great job tracing number 1.
Now let's trace number 2. Make a little curve and then slide across. Wow! Beautiful tracing of number 2.
Which number it is? It's the number 3. Let's learn how to trace it together. Watch closely as our crystal ice pen shows us the way. We start at the top, making one beautiful round curve. Now let's make another round curve right below the first one to complete our number. Practice tracing the number 3 again and again, and soon you'll be a number tracing superstar. Job today, little learners. See you on our next number adventure.
Let's trace number 4. Down, across, and down again. Great work tracing number 4.
Let's trace number 5. Across, down, and curve it around. Wonderful! You traced number 5.
We're going to learn how to trace numbers 6 through 10. It's going to be so much fun, and you'll do a fantastic job. First up, let's meet our friend, number 6. Can you say 6 with me? 6. To trace number 6, we start by making a big, round circle. Watch closely as our colorful neon pen shows you how. Keep going around, making that perfect circle. You're doing great. Almost there with the first part of our number 6. Now, after that beautiful circle, we need to curve it up to meet the top. See how it connects? Whoa! Look at that amazing number 6. It's perfectly traced. Give yourself a pat on the back. Let's try that one more time. Remember, a round circle, and then curve it up. You've got this. Start your circle at the top, go all the way around, and then curve it up. Fantastic work! You've mastered number 6. Now, let's get ready for our next exciting number. Are you excited? Here comes number 7. Can you count to 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Tracing number 7 is super easy. We start by going across the top a nice straight line. That's it, a perfect line across. Now, for the second part of number 7, we're going to slant down. Keep that line nice and straight as it slants down. You're doing a wonderful job tracing number 7. Look at your beautiful number 7. It's so neat and tidy. Give yourself a big cheer. Let's trace number 7 again to make sure we remember. Across and then slant down. You're a pro. Start across the top, then slant down. Remember to keep your lines smooth and steady. Amazing! You've got number 7 down. Now let's get ready for our next challenge. What number do you think is next? Here comes number 8. 8 looks a little tricky, but it's just like drawing 2 circles, one on top of the other. Let's start with the top loop of number 8. Make a small circle at the top. Round and round we go. Great job on that top loop. Now, without lifting our pen, we're going to make another loop right below it. Make that bottom loop big and round, just like the top one. It's like an infinity sign, isn't it? Amazing! You've traced a perfect number 8. It looks so cool with its 2 loops. Fantastic effort. Let's try number 8 again. Remember, 1 loop on top and 1 loop below. You're doing so well. Start with the top loop, then smoothly transition to the bottom loop. Keep those curves nice and round. Excellent. You've mastered number 8. Give yourself a round of applause. Now, let's move on to our next number. Get ready for number 9. Can you count to 9? Let's try it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To trace number 9, we start with a small circle at the top, just like a little head. That's a perfect little circle. Now, from the bottom of that circle, we're going to draw a long, straight line down. Keep that line nice and straight all the way down. You're doing a fantastic job tracing number 9. Perfect. Look at your wonderful number 9. It's so clear and neat. You're a tracing superstar. Let's trace number 9 one more time. Remember, a small circle, then a long line down. You've got this. Start with your small circle at the top, then draw that long, straight line down. Keep it smooth. Wonderful! You've mastered number 9. Only one more number to go. Are you ready for our grand finale? And finally, our last number for today, number 10. 10 is special because it has 2 digits. First, we'll draw the number 1. That's just a straight line down. Easy peasy. Perfect. Now that we have our number 1, we need to make a big, round 0 right next to it. Go all the way around to make that big, beautiful 0. Remember to connect your lines. Excellent tracing. You've made a fantastic number 10. You are so clever and talented. Let's trace number 10 one more time. Draw number 1, then make a big round 0. You're doing amazing. Start with the straight line down for the 1, then move to the side and draw that big, round 0. Keep it smooth. You've done it. You've traced numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Give yourself a huge round of applause. You worked so hard and learned so much today. Keep practicing your numbers and you'll be a super tracer in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every time you trace, you're getting even better. We're so proud of you. Keep up the fantastic work, little learners. We can't wait to trace more numbers with you next time.